morning guys, in front of me is Realme 16 Pro Plus, and let me show you how to put developer options. So at first you need to open the settings, then scroll all the way down and roll about device, scroll down and choose version. Here you'll notice version number, tap on it 7 times, and as you can see now, after entering the code, you've got access to developer panel. So let me go back, and now you can find developer options under system and update. Just enroll, and here you've got it. So smoothly use all the features that you need, customize your device as you want, and that's it. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.